In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start programming in Python and run your first code successfully. We shall need three tools. One is Visual Studio Code as our code editor, and another one is Python interpreter, and these should be installed. The last tool will be command prompt or terminal, and these can be accessed on Windows by searching for CMD in the search bar. So this is my Visual Studio Code. I've already installed it and I've installed the Python interpreter. So let's start. Here I've opened my Visual Studio Code, my code editor. It's here. I've opened it, and here I've created inside it. I've created a file. It is here. It is called file.py. I've created by clicking here, which is creating a new file, and I've named it file.py. So inside this file, after creating it, what we are going to do, we are going to print our name using the Python language. Okay, we are going to print our name onto the screen. We are going to tell the computer to print our name on the screen. So what we are going to do is we are going to do this. We are going to print. We are going to store our name in this variable, and it will be a string, which is Rashid. My name is Rashid, and what we are going to do, we are going to print it by calling this function, function which is called a print. And what we are going to do, we are going to say inside this string, we are going to print. We're going to write my name is, and our name. So our name is going to be here where these curly braces are. Right here is where these curly braces are. And to make it be here, what we're going to do, we're going to format it. We're going to use the format function. We're going to do format, and inside these brackets, these ones, it's where we're going to write our name. So it will be there. So after that, we press Ctrl and save to save our file, and after that we are going to go and open our command prompt so that we can run our program. So let's open command prompt. So I've opened the command prompt, and here we are. I'm inside my hard disk. It's here. So I'm going to navigate to the folder where I saved my file, which is called the file.py. So here I created the folder where I created my file, the file.py. It is on the desktop. So I'm going to navigate to the desktop. So I'm going to verify if the folder is there, the desktop folder, it is there. So I'm going to do dir. So I'm going to navigate and see it whether it is there. So it is here, desktop. So I'm going to go onto the desktop. So I'm going to press cd desktop. So I'm here on the desktop. I see. So I'm in the desktop folder. So I'm going to press director to see if my folder is there. The folder, it is called the final projects. It is called the final projects. So it is here, final projects. It is there. So I'm going to go inside that folder. So to go inside, I'm going to press cd and I press final underscore projects. So it is called final underscore projects. So I'm inside. So I see I'm inside that folder. So I'm going to see what is inside. I'm going to do to type dir. So and here is my file. So to run my file, this one, it is here, file.py. So to run it, I'm going to press file.py. So after that, I press enter. So I think it is here. My name is Rashid. So we have run our first program. Congratulations, you are now a programmer. Thank you. Please like my videos. Please like my videos and share them. Okay. So help me fight the TikTok algorithm. Okay, and you can follow me on YouTube. My link the link on my YouTube channel is in the bio. Please follow me on YouTube. Okay, thank you.